this is the roof over the back porch, the back steps, and it has been more than adequate for many years, but with climate change, with the extra heat and everything else, we really need to insulate it. This summer, with all the high temperatures, our front porch, which is insulated and has a roof, a ceiling, has been much cooler than this.
10 degrees.
10 degrees on many occasions. And so what Selina and the boys are doing today is
making a wall-eyed mess trying to use crap that should have been thrown away.
I'm going to go get those other things that I forgot to get.
What things?
The other tablecloths.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I want them to show up here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So I got some old used screen and I cut it because I need a vent at the top. You need a vent at the top because otherwise all the heat and humidity will stay inside the roof. It'll rot your boards.
Right.
So the heat and humidity needs a way to get it out. So what I've done is I took and I put the screen up there, and then you can see I put some styrofoam above that because I won't be able to stuff styrofoam in.
No, not where that is.
Past that point. So the rest of this I can kind of stuff shit in as I go.
That's where all the...
I won't be able to. And when I get the wood up there, it will not look like the jangled up mess that it is now. Right now, I'm trying to use tablecloths they threw away at the temple.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some I'm throwing away.
Cheap ass bitch. And I'm trying to do it. It's not easy. Would it be easier to do something else? Yes. Will I get mad in a minute and throw them all away? Probably not. I keep thinking I will, because I keep thinking at some point my time will be worth more than $1.25 tablecloth from Dollar Tree.
Now, you're not going to try to put any insulation under that, right? Because it's on the outside, right? No? I don't know.
Of course it's going to be insulated.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
But it can't be insulated till the boards
go on. She puts that and then she puts boards over it.
Then I can shove whatever I want up in there.
Oh, I see. It'll go up through there.
Yes.
I see. I'm coming to the picnic late, so I am gonna go
as
get.
Always, my love.
Always, I'm late. Yes, I'm gonna go. It's because I've been in there making yogurt. There you go. Yeah. Anyway, I will go get those other cloths and come back. Okay. All right. Okay. She has the plastic on this outside overhang all the way across. See the beautiful tablecloths? And then that's going to be a moisture barrier between the wood and the styrofoam. And she is now out there with the guys, and they are cutting pieces of the cedar fins. You've seen her build with these before, and it's going to stay cedar. It's not going to be painted. Anyway, I'll show you when they're putting those up.
Down here,
okay.
Yes, I trip over the crap.
Whoa, like that?
Like that.
I didn't see that. I was looking elsewhere. Yeah, this is what I was trying to show you from the other side.
Okay, so that's up there. Yes, it looks like crap. It's going to be covered with boards. It doesn't matter. All it's for is a vapor barrier and to keep bugs from finding any cracks in the wood and going in.
Right.
That's all it's for.
And that's why the screen, because if you leave an open place, we're going to have wasps up underneath.
Have wasps,
yeah.
And yet we need ventilation. It needs to be able to vent and go out.
Right, right.
So I put the cap board on, or you see I got one cap board, and I'm getting ready to put the other cap board on this side. And then it'll go a lot easier.
Yep.
But what I'm doing is, well, you'll see.
We'll see. I'll show you yeah, no, you need to turn that noise back on, so I'll come back later.
Yes, I need the noise.
I'm going to show you from in here because it's not so noisy, but Selina is straddling that electrician's ladder and standing on the other side when necessary. And Dylan is standing on that little pool ladder, which is awesome. And of course the compressor just went off, which is why I'm inside, because it's got a leak somewhere, so it's constantly running, but it just decided it was full, so yay! Anyway, she's putting that other cap board on.
Not much. Alright, so we're putting the first one of these on. I love it when it spits in my face like that.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Okay, you let go now, Dylan. It immediately came down.
What a shock. I'm turning off. Okay, I missed it. I was inside. They finished the hardest part, actually, because you have to stand on your tiptoes and work over your head. Got that, the fins put on the outside part, and they have stuffed that area up there with all manner of styrofoam. Mostly what I can see is egg cartons, but they're perfect because they're styrofoam. They'll never break down, and they have air pockets in them, so yay. It's awesome.
Alright, so in an effort to insulate this and keep all this shit from going in to landfills, degrading and becoming more pollution, we're sticking it in the ceiling
As insulation.
as insulation. And one of the things, like I had that all plastic, it's all covered with wood now, so now I'm stuffing it full
Right.
of pieces parts. And some of it's literally, when you use the styrofoam insulation,
Yes,
and
right.
I carve it, and then I take the pieces and I save them and I use them. These are other people's crates.
Right. Right.
Most of these are not ours. Most of these are other people's crates. I also have that foam. Bring me that foam, Dylan. Bring me that foam. And bring me the pool ladder that we've been using. The nice one instead of this one.
So she has
the
got
good pool ladder that somebody threw away instead of the cheap one that they threw away.
So you're going to put the plastic up next or something? I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Part of the way anyway.
Well, first I'm going to take this foam, kind of shove it in there.
Yeah.
Because I'd like that to be pretty tight.
Uh-huh.
Dylan doesn't understand spatial dimensions yet.
That everything has, may take space. Okay, I'm turning this off.
Okay. Hey! We're being spied on.
Yes, you're being spied on and recorded. So you're cutting it to as much as you can and fitting it in there, right?
Yep. That was super sick. That stuff there is styrofoam off of, what is it, Omaha Steaks.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it was thermal then.
Yeah, so it's thermal.
Yeah.
So it's really good. But, as I said, none of this is going in the landfill.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's a plus for me anyway.
Yeah. Yep, yep.
But possibly the best, we're going to also, Dylan was saying he already thinks it's cooler on the porch.
I think he's probably right. I know it feels cooler where I'm standing here.
Yeah.
In this doorway with it wide open.
Yeah.
I don't have that huge hot air coming this way.
Yeah. And of course I have two tools that I use for cutting this. I use this. I use this.
And
I like to throw
it at the boys. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's what they get. Not
Yeah. Serrated knife and your saw, your little jigsaw.
Yeah, my jigsaw. I use my jigsaw and I use my knife. That is where I measured, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's where you measured.
Okay, hand me the knife there.
It doesn't want to work. I'll come back. Just wanted to show you an update. They are working hard.
Also,
They've got-
guys, so this plastic hanging down, giant pain in the ass, but we kind of have to stuff the shit full.
Yes. You're still stuffing styrofoam up in there.
We're still stuffing styrofoam in
Yeah.
there.
But look at the beautiful boards. I cannot wait to see this finished. This was...
I can't wait for it to be finished.
Yeah.
Shit project, not unlike every other project.
Looks so good. Okay. Be back later. She has literally just finished and let the air out of the compressor. Literally. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is stunning. It completely transforms the look of this porch. And hopefully it's going to do what you want it to do with the heat.
Hopefully, yeah.
It's not bad standing here, but I'm in the fan. There you go, blocking it from you. So there you go. I'll move.
It's still over 90 degrees.
Yeah, but it's hot out there.
Yeah, I don't know what it is out there, but it's still over 90 degrees on the floor.
Wow, this is amazing.
Okay, thank you for watching.
Yeah.